History seems to be repeating itself for Russia and Ukraine, because in the second phase of the war, Russians in eastern Ukraine are going through the same hell as in the north. While the Russian army is failing to make any significant progress on the battlefield. Let's now see the latest videos that show the destruction of the Russian aggressors' technique in Ukraine. As always, we start with the most spectacular shots, and this time that's this Turkish Bayraktar drone footage showing two Ukrainian Su-27 fighters conducting airstrikes on Snake Island. Pretty clear that the Russian Navy is concerned with Ukraine's Neptune missiles, which destroyed the battleship Moskva and can't provide air defense coverage for the island because of its proximity to shore. This might be the first Bayraktar drone aviation kill. It looks like a Russian Mi-8 helicopter was struck while dismounting soldiers onto Snake Island. This is reportedly the first video of US M777 howitzers being used by Ukrainian troops in combat in eastern Ukraine. This video is showing Ukrainian artillery strikes on a Russian base in Zabun, Kharkiv Oblast. Another TB2 Bayraktar video posted by the Ukrainian Navy that appears to show strikes on two more Russian Raptor fast attack craft. Video from Ukraine's 25th Air Assault Brigade reportedly showing a Javelin ATGM strike on a Russian tank. Here Ukrainian drones are dropping munitions on a Russian tank. This is captured Russian T-80BV tank. And another destroyed Russian T-90M tank. And at the end, a Ukrainian T-72 tank pulling a captured Russian T-80BV tank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.